Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to change the time duration for any plotting notifications to stay open in Windows 11 PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you. So finally you can see this plotting notification as you can see right now here. So after a few seconds it gets hidden. So in order to change this default time duration for this plotting notification to stay open, what you need to do is just open the settings and now just click on this accessibility. Now click on this visual effects. Now you'll see here one option, dismiss notifications after this amount of time. So by default it's in the 5 seconds, so just click on it. Now you'll see here different time duration like 7 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, and the maximum is the 5 minutes. So in order to increase it, you can just select the other time duration. Say if it selects in the 7 seconds, then the floating notifications will stay open till the 7 seconds, and after that it will get hidden again. And if you select the rest, it will stay to the respective time duration which you have selected. So by using this inbuilt features, you can easily change the time duration for any floating notifications to stay open in Windows 11 PC very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.